Join me as I put my skills to the test and try out some amazing personal finance hacks that will leave you and me both shocked at how much we can save. Mastering personal finance hacks can be a total game changer in achieving financial freedom and stability. By applying these smart strategies, you can make the most of your hard-earned money, pay off debt, build wealth, and live a more comfortable life. When it comes to managing our finances, many of us face similar challenges. One common struggle is debt. Whether it's credit card debt, student loans, or mortgage payments, it can be overwhelming and seem impossible to pay off. Another hurdle is saving. It's hard to set aside money when you have so many financial obligations pulling at you from every direction. And let's be honest, a lot of us don't have a clue where to start when it comes to investing our money wisely. We know we should be doing something, but we're not sure what or how. As a result, we often end up feeling stuck, unsure of how to take control of our financial futures. For many people, the idea of budgeting and saving is just so boring. It's like, I'd rather be doing anything else. But what if I told you there are ways to make saving and investing actually fun and rewarding? It might sound crazy, but trust me, these personal finance hacks are about to blow your mind. From clever ways to reduce your expenses to savvy investment strategies, we're about to dive into the good stuff. The first hack I want to share with you is something called the 50-30-20 rule. It's a super simple way to allocate your income towards different areas of your life. 50% goes towards necessary expenses like rent and utilities, 30% towards discretionary spending like dining out and entertainment, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. It's a great way to prioritize your spending and make sure you're setting aside enough for the future. Another hack I love is using the envelope system to manage your expenses. You divide your spending into categories like groceries, transportation, and entertainment, and then place the corresponding budgeted amount into an envelope for each category. It's a visual way to see how much you have available to spend, and it helps you stick to your budget. For example, if you've allocated $100 for dining out this month, you can see exactly how much is left in that envelope each time you're tempted to grab takeout. The third hack is all about taking advantage of high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than your average savings account, which means you can earn more money just by doing nothing. It's a great way to grow your emergency fund or save for a big purchase. But the most impactful hack I've ever come across is the pay yourself first strategy. Essentially, you're prioritizing your savings and investments by setting aside a certain amount of money as soon as you get paid. It's like paying a bill, but instead of paying someone else, you're paying yourself. This hack has been a total game changer for me, and I've seen it transform the financial lives of countless others. These personal finance hacks have the potential to completely flip your financial situation on its head. By applying just one or two of these strategies, you can start to see real progress towards your financial goals. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can pay off debt, build up your savings, and start investing in your future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have a favorite personal finance hack or tip, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks.